Good morning. This is JP with Central Idaho Mountain Weather. It's September 5th, and this is a nice photo we took yesterday coming back from Twin, looking over to the Soldier Smoky Mountain area with those evening passing showers. It didn't really hit us here in Haley, at least no measurable precip, but certainly rained on either side of the highway. All right, outlook for today. It's going to be a really nice week. So we're going to have highs in the upper 60s today, and there's going to be an upper level low that's pretty much doesn't have too much capability of producing anything serious, but some models are showing that there might be some evening thunderstorms moving through after 7 a.m. or sorry, 7 p.m. Tomorrow, the temps rise into the 70s in the valley, and we'll have another chance of isolated thunder showers in the evening. But pretty low confidence with this because there's just not a lot supporting the thunderstorms from building. And looking ahead, warming trends getting up into the upper 70s by Saturday. And there's just going to be some weak disturbances that are coming from the north and south throughout the week. So just might insert some isolated showers and thunderstorms into the mountains. All right, let's get into it. Looking at the weather map, see that big blue H overhead? That is high pressure, so that is nice weather. And you can see there are some disturbances around us. These dotted blue lines are waves. So these are just not organized systems or anything, but enough to just bring potential for showers. Oops, that was on Tuesday or Thursday. So this is today's. On Tuesday, we have that high pressure. This is that low that I was telling you about that's going to pretty much stay to the south of us and maybe swipe southern Blaine County later this evening. And we kind of have the similar outlook tomorrow. We're going to have storms kind of coming through to the south of us. Looks like the HRRR model's actually showing a better chance of this. So either side of the Central Mountains, there's chance for rain, so that could kind of spill over. And then Thursday's looking like nice weather. And looking at the satellite view this morning, this dark or light blue area here in the middle of where we are, that's all fog. So there's a lot of leftover moisture from this system that's just exited. And we'll probably see a lot of fog. I'm sure there's a lot of fog up in the Stanley Valley right now. I didn't see anything in Haley right now, but maybe further to the north or down towards the Timberman Mountains is where it usually dams up. And you can see that disturbance is moving through to the south here. That's going to just kind of rotate across like this. Look at the lower level water vapor. So yeah, you can see that real nice defined upper level low here. But you can see it doesn't have a lot of moisture like these other systems do. And this darker red, that's kind of that nice dry air that is going to be supplying us plenty of good weather this week. So we'll look at the HRRR, or we'll look at this real quick. So this is cloud model forecast. You can see all the blue is low level clouds, so that's usually fog, and then can be kind of cumulus and stratus clouds that are holding on to all that moisture that just fell in the mountains. So it's going to be mainly like that across the boulders today, it looks like, and then kind of become more spotty in the afternoon with chance for some clouds here and there, but you can see most of Blaine County is going to be in direct sunlight today. Cloudless skies. Moving into tomorrow, even clearer looking weather for most of the day with some moisture kind of building like that model is showing to either side. We'll have clouds of the central mountains. Let's look at the HRRR model that kind of give you a little bit clearer picture. All right, so we got nothing really going on, and then things start to build in the afternoon, and that's that upper level low. That's just going to kind of swipe us to the south here. You can see it kind of gets close. Could maybe see some isolated activity in Cary if that lifts more to the north, but should probably stay out of our playing field for the day. And then we have the same type of looking set up for tomorrow afternoon as far as the model runs out for the HRRR. But we got these systems kind of to west of the Smoky Mountains, so this kind of might build across Haley and Ketchum area tomorrow after 7 p.m. But it just doesn't look like there's a lot of support from the atmosphere to cause that. You can see this is looking at the Cape values, so that's energy, stored energy up in the atmosphere, and we're just lacking any color. If you looked at the last few days, we were almost into the blue, like this little spot here. That's the ingredients that you really need to create that lift. And we're lacking low level moisture. We're lacking some kind of activation for this. We don't have any wind shear. That's when the wind speed's going a little faster up high than it is lower down. And it also helps when you have different direction working on, or working in both directions to create that shear. So we're just kind of lacking all those ingredients to create severe thunderstorm activity. So keep an eye on that, but weather is looking pretty good for this week. Really nice week to be spending time out in the mountains after you had all that time off. Thanks, and keep track of what's going on this week as those disturbances might change with the weather patterns. Thanks, and have a good day.